Are you ready to read our morning message together? Let's get going. Okie doke, it is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Read this with me, okay? Good morning, learners. Yes, you are still learners even though you're learning at home and not at school. I have a question for you. It starts with the snap word have. Ready to read it with me? Have you logged onto Raz Kids yet? Have you logged on to Raz Kids yet? That's that reading website, or you could download it as an app. You can read stories or listen to them and then get rewards points to play some games. I want you to make sure that you've done that because next week you are going to have some reading homework, and you can do it with books at your house, but it might be easier to do it with books that are at your level, which you can get from doing Raz Kids, okay? All right, let's read the next sentence in orange together. We will do some story problems today. We will do some story problems today together, okay, after the message. Remember these special math words? Add, plus, all together, and then I made the plus sign. Those are all for adding story problems when there's more of something. And then how about these words? Do you remember these? Subtract, minus, take away, and then I put the minus sign or subtraction symbol. That's when you start with an amount in a story and then some go away or get taken away and there's less in the answer. That's subtracting. Then don't forget about equals. It just means is, and there's the equal sign that we always put before our answer. Love, Mrs. Feldkamp. All right, let's see who our shout out student is today. I'll give you a hint. It's a boy. Since I did a girl yesterday, I will do a boy today. And this boy's name starts with a W. W. So Walter Walrus is a letter shape. W says "wha." Do you know who it is? I bet you do. It's our friend Weston. Right now, I'm writing Weston's name with proper capitalization. So I started with a capital W, and the rest of my letters need to be lowercase. So W-E-S-T, and then I have to do on. O-N. All right, we're going to do the same thing we did with Isla's name to Weston's name. So we're going to count up how many vowels there are in Weston's name. Okay, is W a vowel? Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Is W a vowel? Nope, it's not. How about E? Yep, E's a vowel, so there's one vowel so far. S? Nope, that's a consonant. T? No, that's a consonant. Hey, O! Yes, O is a vowel. So there's two vowels. Is N a vowel? No. So there are two vowels in Weston's name. Letters that are not vowels, remember, are called consonants. So let's count those up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants. So I have 2 vowels plus 4 other letters, consonants, equals how many letters all together? Let's count them up. How many letters are there all together in your name, Weston? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. All right, shout out to you, Weston. We hope you're having a great day. Thanks for letting us use your name today. Boys and girls, stay tuned for tomorrow to see whose name we feature. Okay? All right, now I'm going to switch over to another flip chart with our story problems, and we'll solve this one together. Listen carefully. April had 9 rainy days and 7 sunny days. How many more rainy days than sunny days. This is a little different than a story problem we've done before. So this little box says my thinking. I'm going to put some rain clouds for the rainy days. It said up in the words that there were 9 of those rainy days. You see the number 9 right here? So I'm going to drag up 9 rain clouds. I've got one here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have to squeeze my last one in here, 9. Okay, now we need to compare that to the sunny days. How many sunny days were there? It looks like 7 sunny days. So now I'll drag 7 suns and I'm going to put them right underneath the rain clouds so we can see easily how many more rainy days there are. That's going to be the extras that are going to be left off on the end, okay? So here we go. 1, we're counting to 7 because there are 7 sunny days. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally 7. So these are all matches. Can you see this? All of these are the same, aren't they? Same, same, same. But we're wondering how many more rainy days there are than sunny. Look, there are 2 extra rain clouds. That means there are 2 more rainy days than sunny days. A way to show that on your number sentence is to do this. We had 9 rainy days. We matched that up with 7, so it was actually taking away 7 to equal 2. Isn't that cool? 9 take away 7 equals 2. All right, there's one more that I wanted to do that's another kind of tricky one, but I think we'll get it. I planted 8 seeds. Ooh, cool. Let's get 8 seeds out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, only 3 of the seeds are growing. Huh. Okay, so here's a seed that's growing. So let's say this one's growing. So we're going to cover that up. That one's sprouted. This one has sprouted. That's 2. And this one. So 3 are growing. But these leftover ones are not growing. Let's count how many of those there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 that are not growing. We could show that by doing this. We could do 8, and we kind of took those seeds away that were growing and made them into growing seeds. So we could do take away 3, and then there were 5 left. So we could show it like that. 8 take away 3 is 5. Another way of showing our thinking is we could do 5 seeds are not growing plus 3 seeds are growing equals 8 seeds altogether. We could kind of check our work by doing it that way. All right, I have a whole bunch of these, but I have one that I want you to do. Here it is. For your attendance today. So pay attention to this part. That answer is 6 bunnies. You have to come up with a question. It could be an adding story problem, or it could be a taking away story problem. Whatever type you do, 6 has to be the answer. Okay? You are going to comment either by recording your voice and telling me your story problem where 6 bunnies is your answer. You could type it out or have your parents help you type it out. Or if you want to take a picture where you have like written it out and drawn the picture, you could do that too. So have your parent or older sibling help you decide how you're going to do this and what your story problem is going to be. And when you are done with it, send it to me. All right, that is your attendance for today. Please do it by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Also wanted to remind you that today is the last day to go drop by school in the carpool lane to pick up your supplies and stuff from our classroom. I have gotten that all bagged up for you. Yesterday it was 1 to 7, so today it's 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay? Thanks everybody. Bye. Have a great day.